Welcome to edgencurve. In this tutorial I will show you how to repeating objects around shapes in CorelDRAW. Choose Graph Paper tool and follow the process. Now adjust your size. Follow the process. Ungroup your object. Follow the process. Combine your object into a single curve object. Drag a circle and create a shape. Follow the process. Now transform your object into a shape. Using Envelope tool, select your object and create an envelope that is based on the shape of another object. Then click to apply. Follow the process. Repeating object around the shape. That's it for today, and thanks for watching.